What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I use Notion for my day-to-day life. I wasn't such a big user on apps when it came to organization and productivity, but ever since I started using Notion because it's free, I literally feel like it's my Jarvis. Like I feel like I'm Tony Stark. You can literally do everything in this app and I'm excited to show you guys and bring you guys along. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so starting off with the page that I use the most, my agenda. You can customize whatever you want on the background of it to kind of set the tone, which is really cool because you can change different vibes. Like for example, you can use the earth, right? Like big old earth. Or if you want, you could reposition it. You can do whatever you want, but for me, I went to Unsplash and I just typed in black because I want to keep everything kind of minimal. So when I'm looking at my agenda every single day, it's just black and white and I can really focus on just what I need to get done, you know? So that's that. And then you can edit your title over here on the top right. You can change the different like font style that you want. You can go to small width or you can go full width. It's all up to you, right? This is fully customizable on this page. I chose to use this as having like a whole layout of my week. So I have everything super laid out from Monday all the way through Sunday. And you can even add a little icon on the top to represent what this is. So that's going to be popping up on the side over here on like this little banner on the left side. So I chose a little pen, and then these are my week priorities. My weekly priorities are if everything in the week starts to fail, as long as, or if it gets really busy unexpectedly, as long as I have these three things done and completed, all the other smaller things can be pushed to the week forward and I'll be okay. This week I'm filming the Notion YouTube video, the one that you guys are watching right now, so that's pretty cool. But this is really cool because you can use whatever you need. They give you so many options. If I wanted to, I could select all of this and I can turn it into, say, a numbered list, right? Or if I wanted to turn it into a toggle list, they even have that. And they have so many other options over here for you to change it into different things, but for now I'm going to keep it as a to-do list. You can even change the color for whatever it is you want. They have the color for the text, and then they have a background color. You can change it to whatever you want, and these are things that I need to remember. So whenever I'm going throughout my week, these are things that I need to remember to completely trust myself and that I don't know everything, and that's completely okay. Just little reminders because life gets really busy and oftentimes you need something to kind of hold you down as an anchor. Moving on is my spring content lineup. So don't judge me on the background that I chose. I just felt like this fit the vibe of like content, and there's just a lot of people running around doing some weird funky things. So I chose an icon, made my title over here, and so the cool thing about Notion is that in your page you can make another page, right? So over here I have my phases, March through May, for all the content that I want to be producing for those months. I have pre-Ramadan, all of the content over there. I have Ramadan, which is highlighted in red, and then I have the post-Ramadan for other things that I want to get back into. I haven't really made the list so big for this one because when Ramadan comes around, then I'll be able to figure out what I want to make at that time also. There's a content calendar that you can choose from different templates over here. If you go over here and you can just switch out like different templates, they give you so many already pre-made templates, which is so good. They have all these categories that you can choose from, whether it's human resources or it's students. I have a whole lineup of March and all the things I need to do, and you have different like views that if you want to set to. So if you want to look at it as a table, so it cancels out the calendar and you just have all the events going down, then this is the table that you can look at. Other than that, you have the calendar view. Simple budget, one of my favorite pages that Notion has to offer. So I got this, I accessed this through the templates. You go onto templates, I went through the student tab, I got the simple budget and I used that template. I just clicked that and I went here and edited my own thing. The cool thing about this is you could filter out whatever you want. So say for example, you just want to find how much did I spend on food last month, right? So you can go into category, you can go onto food, and all of the food expenses that you've been writing down, like everything that I've been spending. You can have the expense, the amount, the category. You can have a comment for it, right? just in case, like, and the date that you spent it on, to keep yourself accountable. Or you can even do more than one. You can do food and entertainment. So that's food and entertainment, and it shows you the sum of everything that you've been spending on. The next page I have is content inspiration, and this is kind of like a more impulsive thing. A lot of the times when I'm listening to music or I'm at the gym and I have like an inspiration for content, pull out my phone, open Notion, and I write down this app. So I'll write it down on this page. So this doesn't really have like a structure to it. Just blurt things out onto this page and I kind of figure out the way it goes. My next video page, this is probably also one of the most important pages that I have, where dreams become reality. I added that quote by me. So the outside look doesn't really look like too much, because that's what happens after I figure out what the next video is going to be, right? But the cool part is I have this separate page called YouTube Strategy that just has a whole outline that I created to help me like figure out and help me navigate through the world of creating videos on YouTube. It's a very tedious process, but when you have things more organized with Notion, makes life a lot easier. But okay, now that you've seen all my pages, I kind of want to take you through a walkthrough tutorial on how you can make a page yourself. And alright, so this is kind of the gym plan that I made for myself. Nothing too fancy. I kind of just made it really quickly. I made my workout plan, I had my diet plan, and then I even had a toggle list of all the lists of recipes that I had. I made a little bit of a list plan. I made a little plan list for everything that I had. I made a protein source. Wait, these are the protein amount, the carb amount, and the fats I'm going to be intaking for the meal plans. This list of recipes up here, I had a couple of YouTube links that I had that I can click on if I ever forget how to make the recipes. So this is really cool. So every time I make something new, so say for example I'm making kebab, right? Chicken, I'm going to click chicken as a protein source. I'm going to add up, and by the way, these aren't accurate. I kind of just made them on the go for the sake of this video. So this is my body now. I'm 5'11", 175 pounds, and the goal that I want to get to is grow 1 more inch hopefully, and to be 180 pounds of lean muscle. And then I have a timeline outlaying the weeks that I have. I decided to go for like a 3-week. So these are just like a few of the things that Notion has to offer when it comes to their platform and everything. I'm excited to see how you guys use it as well. It's helped me in my life so much, and it's going to continue to help me in my life create all the plans and all the things that I need to accomplish in my life. That being said, I'm really grateful for Notion, and I don't really know where I would be without platforms like this that really help me like capitalize on everything that I'm doing in my life, help me stay organized. I'm excited for you guys to use it as well, so I'm going to link them down in my description and chat with you guys in the comments. But If you guys liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.